Who knew Walmart's hometown could be this cool? Once primarily known as the birthplace of the retailer Walmart, these days Bentonville, Arkansas is serving up more than just retail therapy. In fact, it was recently dubbed the new capital of cool by the Wall Street Journal. Bentonville offers a surprising blend of art, culture, outdoor adventure, and incredible dining. Travel writer Michael Mackie went to check it out himself and discovered culinary surprises around every corner. Let's join Michael as he explores the city's unique charm and discovers the flavors that have put it on the map. Your taste buds will thank you.
Let's start with Crystal Bridge's Museum of American Art. Founded by Walmart heiress and philanthropist Alice Walton, this world-class museum boasts an impressive collection of American art and stunning architecture. But today, we're not here just for art, but for food. Turns out the museum is also home to 11, an American-esque bistro with dishes made from local ingredients. From hearty dishes like ratatouille to a vegan collard melt, the restaurant is the perfect respite from a day of artistic endeavors. It's a feast for the senses. There's another Walton family connection with a popular feature of Bentonville. Well, did you know that Bentonville is also celebrated as the mountain biking capital of the world? Nestled in the picturesque Ozarks is the Kohler Mountain Bike Preserve with extensive trails that weave through breathtaking landscapes. It's considered a must-visit for any biking enthusiast. It was two of Sam Walton's grandsons who were instrumental in setting the preserve up. After you've conquered the trails, I'll help you recharge by meeting you for a coffee at Onyx Coffee Lab, where you can savor expertly crafted brews. You'll feel like a champion, and you'll have earned every bite of dessert.
Still hungry after your mountain biking? Bentonville boasts a vibrant food scene with a variety of choices from gourmet sushi at Junto, yep, you heard right, gourmet sushi in northern Arkansas, to authentic Mexican dishes at Yeyo's El Alma de Mexico. Say hello to chef and owner Rafael Rios. And if you find yourself craving Italian, make a beeline to Pizzeria Ruby in nearby Fayetteville. The lines out the door even late on a Thursday speak to its deliciousness. Trust me, it's worth the wait for the pizza or 3-cheese calzone and finish off with ricotta donuts. One tip though, with all this delicious food, ditch the belt and wear elasticized pants. Another standout in this culinary landscape is the Hive, located within the stunning 21C Museum Hotel. Here, executive chef Micah Klasky crafts dishes that celebrate the essence of high South cuisine. The menu changes with the seasons and features everything from the roasted mushroom bisque, which Klasky touts as literally my favorite soup we do all year, to a spicy pimento burger. So, whether you're exploring art, indulging in culinary delights, or conquering mountain trails, Bentonville invites you to experience its unique and cool kid charm. Come discover this magical destination. You just might find your new favorite spot. Like, comment, share, subscribe to myfaveplaces.com because every place has a story.